Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Fidelity S&p 500 Index Fund. First, go to the Fidelity website or open the Fidelity app. Now, log in or create a Fidelity brokerage account. Once logged in, click Accounts and Trade. Next, select Trade and then go to Mutual Funds. In the search bar, type FXAIX Fidelity 500 Index Fund. After that, click on Fidelity 500 Index Fund FXAIX from the results. Then, choose your account to buy from, such as brokerage or IRA. Enter the amount you want to invest. Select Market Order or Schedule an automatic investment. Review the fund summary and price per share. Now, click Preview Order to double-check details. Finally, hit Submit to confirm your purchase. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.